In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient overlay to an image in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to add a touch of creativity or draw the viewer's focus to particular elements of your image, the gradient overlay can be a fantastic tool for your design needs. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this. First, we'll start by opening your project in Wix Studio. Head over to your browser and type in the URL studio.wix.com. Once you're on the website, log in and open your Wix Studio editor, which allows full control over all your projects. From here, select the project or site you intend to edit. If you already know the page that contains the image you want to modify, navigate directly to it. Next up, we need to select the image on which you want to apply the gradient effect. On your canvas in the Wix Studio editor, click on the image element that you wish to modify. You should observe a right-hand panel appearing with various customization options. Select the Design tab from this panel and then click on Customize Design, which allows for more detailed personalization. Now we'll add the gradient overlay itself. Within the Customize Design menu, look for the settings labeled Overlay or Background Overlay. If the overlay is not turned on, make sure to toggle it to On. Then you will see an option to select your overlay type. Choose Gradient from the list of choices. Wix Studio provides two types of gradient styles: linear gradient, suitable for smooth color transitions in one direction, and radial gradient, perfect for creating circular or spotlight style blends. Depending on your design goals, select the gradient style that best fits your vision. Having selected a style, it's now time to customize your gradient. You can pick your colors by clicking on each color stop within the gradient editor and choosing the colors that match your design aesthetic. To achieve the perfect angle for your gradient, either use the angle slider or manually drag the gradient line in the preview to set its direction. Additionally, adjusting the opacity can control the intensity of the overlay. A lower opacity offers subtlety, while higher opacity can result in dramatic effects. For those looking to get more creative, you can add extra stops along the gradient bar, infusing new colors for a unique appearance. A quick tip: if your image features text, consider using darker overlays such as black with low opacity. This technique is excellent for enhancing text visibility against varying background shades. With the gradient customized to your liking, click the Preview button at the top right corner to review how the overlay will appear on your live site. Should you notice the need for adjustments, return to the editor and fine-tune the gradient colors or opacity until you're fully satisfied with the overall look. Ultimately, after perfecting the gradient overlay, it's vital to save your work. Click on Save followed by Publish to make your changes live. Congratulations! Your image now sports a refined and professional-looking gradient overlay effect. There you have it, a simple and effective way to enhance your images in Wix Studio with gradient overlays. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities of vibrant colors and captivating designs.